This is day 9 of mastering the art of selling through copywriting. Here's a mistake that kills conversions. You talk about features when people only care about benefits. A feature is what it is. A benefit is what it does for me. For example, high-speed internet is a feature. So what? So you can download movies in seconds, join calls without lag, and never feel frustrated again. That's a benefit. Here's the rule. Every time you write a feature, ask yourself, so what? And then answer it. Then ask again, so what? You keep going until the reader feels something. Features inform. Benefits persuade. People don't buy products, they buy outcomes. They buy relief. They buy confidence. They buy time, freedom, and peace of mind. So next time you write copy, stop listing features. Start translating them into life improvements. That's the shift that turns words into sales. Tomorrow is day 10. We're diving into e-commerce copywriting, Amazon, Shopify, and dropshipping. See you tomorrow.